1967, the height of the Cold War, a time of espionage, paranoia, and hidden truths. Amidst this backdrop, an astonishing discovery was made in the remote wilderness of Wyoming that has remained shrouded in mystery for over half a century. In a barren region of the state, far from prying eyes, scientists had covertly built an underground physics laboratory, the Wyoming Underground Research Lab. This clandestine facility was operated by the Atomic Energy Commission, now known as the Department of Energy. Its existence was kept a closely guarded secret for decades. The WRL was constructed under the guise of studying the effects of nuclear explosions on nearby structures, but declassified documents paint a much more intriguing picture. It appears that this lab was also home to some of the most groundbreaking and controversial experiments in modern physics, many of which have never been officially acknowledged or explained. Our journey into this enigma begins with an obscure reference found deep within a declassified AEC report from 1968. This document mentions Project Winterstorm, a top-secret research initiative that took place at WURL during its earliest days. The project's goals and findings remain classified to this day, but it's clear that they involved high-energy particle physics and the exploration of subatomic particles. But why go underground? Why build such a lab in complete isolation, hidden from public scrutiny? The answer may lie in the nature of these experiments themselves. Some theories suggest that the researchers at WRL were delving into realms of science so radical, so unsettling, that they had to be kept out of sight and mind. One possible clue can be found in another declassified report, detailing a series of bizarre incidents that occurred at the lab in 1972. According to this document, several unexplained phenomena were observed during experiments, including temporal anomalies, unusual radiation patterns, and even what seemed like matter being created from pure energy. Could it be that the scientists at WRL had stumbled upon a scientific breakthrough of unprecedented significance? Or perhaps they had crossed some cosmic threshold, disturbing forces beyond their comprehension. As we delve deeper into this labyrinth of secrets and unanswered questions, one thing becomes clear. The story of the Wyoming Underground Research Lab is far from over. In fact, it may just be beginning. 1967, the height of the Cold War. The United States government, in its relentless pursuit of technological advancement and national security, established a clandestine research facility in the remote plains of Wyoming. This top-secret lab, known as the Wyoming Underground Research Lab, was operated by a shadowy agency that, to this day, remains shrouded in mystery. The enigmatic scientist at the helm of WRL was Dr. Anselm Winters, an accomplished physicist and inventor with numerous patents to his name. He had been handpicked by the government for his expertise in electromagnetism and quantum mechanics. Despite his impressive credentials, little is known about Dr. Winters' personal life or his motivations for joining such a secretive project. In the early years of WRL, the team made significant strides in developing cutting-edge technologies related to energy production, communication systems, and material science. However, it was their later, more controversial experiments that would spark intrigue and controversy. Confidential documents declassified in 2017 reveal a series of tests conducted between 1975 and 1983, during which WRL scientists explored the frontiers of quantum physics. They sought to manipulate subatomic particles, aiming to create new forms of matter or harness previously unknown sources of energy. These groundbreaking experiments were not without risk. Some scientists speculated that the researchers at WRL might have inadvertently opened gateways to other dimensions or disturbed forces beyond their understanding. While these theories remain unproven, they contribute to the aura of mystery surrounding WRL and its enigmatic leader, Dr. Winters. The secrecy surrounding WRL was so extreme that even those within the agency responsible for overseeing the lab had limited knowledge of its operations. According to former government officials interviewed for this documentary, only a select few individuals at the highest levels of power were aware of WURL's existence and activities. This lack of transparency